Hello, welcome to Young Learners Curriculum, the home of our interactive stories, animated talking flashcards, and STEAM activities. Today, we're going to make a Yoda mask using a stretchy piece of string, a piece of paper, marker, glitter, glue, and scissors. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and we're about ready to begin. Let's start. My name is Teacher Brenda, and we're going to look at how to create our mask from the print that you have. So if you have printed it out, great, but because I am a little bit bigger and an adult, I needed a larger size mask. So first things first is you're going to take your printout, and then you're going to take your scissors, and we're slowly going to cut along the lines. So let's do that first. Remember to go slow so that you get on the lines without going over the lines too much. Okay, and I have made it to my Yoda mask. It's here. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to cut the eyes. Now to cut the eyes, you will bend your mask just a little bit so it makes it easier. Here, and then you're just going to cut the eye. And you can open it up that way. And you cut around the circle of the eye. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and I have the other eye as well. And then you open it again. So now we have the two eyes and we have the mask, and I have the side here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate the mask. So to decorate the mask, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use my paintbrush because it makes it easier. And then I'm going to use a little bit of glue. Just give this a second. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue in a dish. I'm going to show you a secret so you don't get so dirty. I just drop a couple drops of the glue, liquid glue. And then, because I like the green in the mask, I'm going to take my glitter on the green, and I'm going to put it inside about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Couple shakes. It's up to you. Then I take the paintbrush and I will mix it nicely and slowly. This way it doesn't go everywhere, the glitter, and it just makes it easier to put on the mask. And then what you're going to do, let me just completely mix it. Okay, let's hold this down so you can see it. Let's put this in here down a little bit for you so you can see what I'm doing. And I've got my workspace, and my workspace is covered, and then I've got this string for the mask as well. So I'm just going to slowly apply the glitter. You can color your mask if you want. I just like mine a little bit shinier. Okay. So this just makes it much easier to go on the mask. There we go. And you just cover the mask. And spread all the glitter out. And that's why you have your workspace. Lightly. You don't have to add so much glitter, just a little bit to brighten the mask up. And in the next step, I'm going to dry the mask. You just have to wait for the mask to dry now. Just give it a couple minutes. And then you're going to find your black marker. Just grab a couple in case one doesn't work. And I'm going to add the lines, and up here, let's do this upside down so that you can see it right for me. And then I'm going to add Yoda's ears. I'll add here, and then I'm going to add on the other side. And I'm going to color the black in. And then over here, I'm going to color the black in as well. But you do this after, because if you do it before, what's going to happen is you're going to have big black lines, and with the glue, it'll go everywhere. And then I'm going to make sure to add those lines for Yoda's head, to add the age for Yoda. And when I finish with that, we need something to put the mask on. So I'm using a piece of string that I get to make the Yoda mask. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread the string through. There's already the holes that are provided. And there's a knot on one side. And then I'm going to put the knot on the other side. And you're going to tie it. It's very simple. One, and then two. Presto, we have our Yoda mask. And you can use the scissors if you like to cut them or not. And let's check this Yoda mask out. Okay, now because I have the headphones on, I had to be a little bit more creative to how I can get the Yoda mask to sit. So what I did is I decided to use, it's falling down, hold on a second. To be a little bit more creative, let's put this camera here so you can see. I have taken my little crown. So this is going to hold my Yoda mask in place. And then I am going to put the rubber band over the Yoda mask. Well, that's that one Yoda mask. I have my other Yoda mask. And it worked much better because it's still wet. So let's do it this way. Then I'm going to pull it through. Threading, threading, threading. Always have backup. Now, because I'm an adult, I want it just to hang. So I'm going to put it over my crown, and it's going to sit up here. So now I'm Yoda. I hope you like the Yoda mask. And this is how you can make a Yoda mask quick and easy at home, and you're ready for story time.